For as long as I can remember, I've dreamed of this moment. The sacred treasure that's protected us for 1,000 years is now in Syracuse. To the Book of Peace.
And to you, King Dimas and Prince Proteus.
You see, this is what happens when you use the front entrance.
What is he doing here?
At least he's not out robbing someone.
That's because everyone worth robbing is here.
You believe the nerve of that dude?
I'll bet you 10 crowns you're about to put those swords down.
I'll take that bet.
Guards, put away your swords. I don't see you for 10 years, and now twice in one day? You're smothering me.
I knew you'd want to thank me for saving your life. Again.
You probably just heard we had free food and wine.
You hear that, guys? Dinner and drinks are on the prince.
Come on, there's someone I want you to meet.
Get to work.
Weapons.
And... Just like that?
Yes!
Everyone sharpen your teeth and let's pile up.
Here she is. I've told her all about you. Sinbad, I would like to introduce you to my fiancée.
Excuse me.
The Lady Marina, ambassador from Thrace.
So this is the infamous Sinbad. I heard all about this morning. First you tried to rob Proteus, and then you save his life. So which are you? A thief or a hero?
Sinbad wanted to give me an opportunity to thank him.
Months on the sea with nothing but eggs and pickles? You don't know what that can do to a man. Oh, it's almost too easy. There's only a handful of guards.
Forget it. Let's get back to the ship.
Just like that? The book is almost ours.
What? Who is she? An old girlfriend?
Afraid it's not that simple. Let's go. Jet, pack it up.
What? I just put the... See you tomorrow.
Oh, this is just too easy.